In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace, a task that can seem daunting, but is actually quite straightforward once you know where to look. So let's dive in and make your web page look just the way you want it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, find and click on Website. This is going to take us into the deeper settings of your Squarespace site. Think of the website section as your command central, where you can control different aspects of your site's appearance. Next, your attention should shift to the Styles option. In Squarespace, the Styles panel is essentially where you make all your styling choices, colors, fonts, matas, you name it. Click on Styles, and as it opens up, you'll see a variety of customizable features laid out for you in an intuitive interface. Now, from the Styles page, locate the arrow that sits just right next to Fonts. Clicking on this little arrow is like opening a door to another room full of font options. This is where you can refine how your text appears on your site. Once you're under Fonts, look for the Paragraphs option. This is where we'll be spending some time adjusting the particulars of paragraph text on your site. You want to click on Paragraphs to see specific settings related to the body copy of your site. Now we're getting to the creative part. You'll see options to adjust the line height, which essentially controls the vertical space between lines of text. By manipulating the setting, you can either give your text more room to breathe, creating an airy aesthetic, or bring lines closer together for a more compact presentation. Alongside line height, you'll also have the ability to adjust letter spacing. This feature controls the space between each individual letter. Whether you want a slightly more open look or tighter text is completely up to your vision for your website's design. Following these adjustments, you might spot a bar under Size, which you can drag to resize your paragraph text. Adjusting the size here allows you to ensure that your text is easy to read and stands out just as much as you need it to. Finally, once you're satisfied with all these settings, remember to click on Save. Saving your changes is crucial as it ensures every tweak you've made remains intact and is applied to your website immediately. And there you have it. You've just updated the paragraph spacing on your Squarespace site. These changes will help create a beautiful, readable, and well-organized page for your visitors. Until next time, happy designing!